Hi everyone, Yen here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I will quickly go through the colors. For my base coat, I'm using titanium white from Amsterdam, a regular white house paint, and Baufan in mixed 1:1:1, and then added a little water. On top of that, I'm gonna put the Paynes gray from Amsterdam. This one has been mixed with the Malverk pouring medium. Then I have made 3 cell activators. I end up only using the white in the end, but the first one is the Pebeo Studio iridescent green yellow, a little bit too thick, so I end up not using it. Then I have the white with titanium white and Australian Floetrol, and then the Oxide black Australian Floetrol. For the colors, I have the Maya metallic emerald, and then I have the 24 karat gold by DecoArt, and then I have the golden Quinacridone nickel laser gold, and a pearl white by Amsterdam. Sorry that it went a little bit fast. But yeah, I wanted to try to. I've been very inspired by watching Jessica from Winterstrom Art. I love the way that she swipes, and especially how she works with the palette knife after. So I'm gonna try to do this on this one. This was my first attempt, so I would say that I need to try a few more times, especially with pulling the swipe after with the palette knife. That didn't go so well. Well, it didn't have much of an effect. But I also was inspired by the way that she put the the black. She used a bluish black on top of the white in order to stretch the black coat, so not to use the black for the full base coat. And then I've also liked the way that she puts the paint on her palette knife and then swipes with all the colors loaded on the palette knife. I think that I'm probably overloading them. As you see, I just put the 3 cell activators on here, and now I'm putting the gold on there. And then I'm gonna put um, the emerald, and then as I remember, the quinacridone. Yeah, and the pearl white on top of that, because I would love the way that the white and the quinacridone as a nickel as a gold react with each other. Then I do a swipe. It does not really work. It does not generate any cells or anything. So I decided to drop the green and the black cell activator and only use the white with the same colors on it, and that works much better. So back to my inspiration. Jessica from Winterstorm Art. I don't know if you already know her. I'm sure most of you do, but if not, then please go check out her channel. She is making some incredible pieces of art. I really am impressed with her work. Another one that I'm inspired by is Nick from Dominic Shell Art. For instance, the gold that I'm using, the 24 karat gold, which most of us use, he loads it up with gold pigments, and that's what I've also done here. As you can see, I do seem to overload this palette knife a little bit, so it keeps dripping off. I don't think that's the way that Jessica actually does it, but who knows, it could be. I just need to study it a little more and try it out a few more times. But as you see now, this worked much better. Already now you can see that cells are popping up, and that really worked much better. So I am very pleased with the way that it worked out in the end. I, if anything, I should have probably left a little more of the Paynes gray. Um, I mean, not swiped all over the Paynes gray. Should have left some of the Paynes gray for having some negative space, but Yeah, lesson learned. I actually really love the way that this came out. It is a 30 centimeter wooden round. And yeah, I really love the way that it came out. I didn't like it initially when I had first finished it. I was considering scraping it, but then I decided to just leave it. And as happens often with my paintings, I actually have this journey after finishing it that I they often have to grow on me, but this one has pretty quickly actually after I finished it. I left it, went back and took a picture of it wet, and when I started looking at the picture of the wet result, I realized that actually there was a lot of interesting things going on there. Here I'm trying that Jessica, well, I don't know, other people might be doing the same thing. Jessica was the first one that I saw do this, where she pulls out uh, uh, the, the, the swiped colors with her palette knife. I definitely have a lot more to learn, but it's been very interesting, and I really love that special extra effect it gives when you do this. You can get some of the cells, uh, emphasize them more, I guess. It definitely gives a very interesting effect. As you see, I'm keep moving between normal speed and 4 times the speed, 8 times the speed. I don't really want to bore you with um, 25 minutes of me just fiddling with the piece. So that's why I keep speeding it up. As you see, I decided that I needed a little more. There was just a little too gray, Paynes grayish white over there on that side, far away from here on the picture, or and so I decided to do yet another swipe. And it worked out fine. I actually really like the way that it worked out. Um, Last thing that I want to say before we leave is thank you again for joining me. It would really help me if you would subscribe, hit the notification bell, um, leave a comment, ask me any questions, and last but not least, do leave a like, thumbs up, and all of it really helps me growing my channel. I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers, so that is exciting. I'm hoping to reach that within the next few, I don't know, weeks or the next month, hopefully. And with that, I just want to wish you a great day. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and hope that you will be back soon. I'll try to post something a little sooner than this. I've been a little bit slow with my posts lately, but I will get back to posting at least one a week and hopefully more. You all have a great day, and take care. Bye.